So we hosted our second annual Top Hat competition. It's a culinary competition that I started at the CTE Expo prior to COVID actually, just to get the middle school students engaged and actually coming to find out about all of our wonderful CTE programs. However, I really wanted to highlight what our students had been learning throughout the school year. So I really thought it would be really fun for the kids to show their creativity and actually put on a cooking show while at the CTE Expo.
I had literally so much fun. Everything that we did, I had a smile on my face for it, even though it was nerve-wracking the whole time. I feel like being together like this with people that you normally wouldn't see together is really just fun to do because you have all these people combined by the one love for cooking, and that's really enjoyable for me.
It was really fun. It was also stressful, but coming over those challenges just gave me a new perspective on teamwork.
It really helped us with our cooking strategies and gave us some new insight about if we want to cook in high school and how we would continue this as a career.
Students who take Intro to Culinary Arts in the middle school are better prepared for the Culinary 1 and Culinary 2 programs at the high school. And the reason why they're better prepared is because students will gain those important leadership skills, they'll gain important feedback, and they'll gain the necessary knowledge that's needed to run an industrial kitchen, to follow orders as far as following recipes, and to make sure they're meeting the food and safety component of serving food.
I really like to see students go in there and actually show their creativity and show what they're really good at, because they're good. You know, culinary arts, they may actually do this someday. However, I think that this particular program, especially the competition, shows these kids how they can persevere as a team, because that's what it took. It took teamwork tonight. It took collaboration. It took hard work, dedication, and they did that.
I'm a graduate of Humble Middle School. I'm from Humble ISD. I took Foods for Today in the classroom I'm teaching in now. And something like this wasn't around for us to participate in. And when I presented this idea to my students, a lot of them were nervous. They didn't want to put themselves out there. But some of them did apply. And we practiced. I gave them encouragement. Their classmates and teachers cheered them on. And when you have support like that, the possibilities, it's endless.
Our grand prize winner of the KitchenAid stand mixer with 113 points is Humble Middle.
We had a good team. Anytime they messed up on something, we tried to help them, and other things like when they needed a dish clean, we ran and got it done for them. Communication was amazing. We got everything done in the time that we needed it done in.
We have been practicing for weeks. I mean, staying late till 5:30 some nights, and the kids have given their all. They have tried to impress me day after day, and they didn't like all of my criticism at times, but I was just trying to prepare them for moments like this, and they're thrilled, I don't have words for how excited I am.
We pour a lot into our kids, and I hope that our kids actually see that we have a vision and the kids can do whatever they put their mind to.